we want to find the coordinates of the turning points on the curve y is equal to x squared e to the x. We should recognize this as a product. For turning points we need to differentiate. U is equal to x squared and v is e to the x. We need du dx, which in this case is 2x, and we need dv dx, which is e to the x, because e to the x differentiates to give e to the x. Using the formula, dy dx is going to be v du dx, so 2x e to the x, plus u times dv dx, which is x squared e to the x. We can see a common factor of x and of e to the x. Open a bracket and we need a 2 and an x. Now for turning points we need to set dy dx equal to 0. So x e to the x, 2 plus x, is equal to 0. One thing we should note is that e to the x can never be 0. Just consider the graph. The graph of an exponential function never reaches the x-axis and therefore never takes the value 0. So we must have x times 2 plus x equal to 0. This gives us that either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 0, then y is 0. So we have 0, 0 as one of our turning points. If x is minus 2, then y is going to be minus 2 squared, which is 4, times e to the minus 2. So we have minus 2, 4e to the minus 2.